We take another question from the trigonometric ratios. Given cot theta equal to 7 by 8, then we are evaluate this equation. We finding the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. First we are take a diagram from given information. Here I take a triangle with ABC. Here I take an angle theta at A. What is the given condition? Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. But actually, what is the definition of cot theta? It is adjacent side of angle theta by opposite side of angle theta. It is equal to cot theta. Here what is the adjacent side of theta? It is the adjacent side of theta. AB is the adjacent side of theta. Next, what is the opposite side of theta? It is the opposite of side of theta. Here cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So I take AB by BC is equal to 7 by 8. From that AB east, BC is equal to 7 east 8. From this equation we get AB is equal to 7K and BC is equal to 8K, where K is a constant. Here AB is equal to 7K, BC is equal to 8K. We are finding other side. What is that? AC. We are finding AC. How to find this AC? Already we are learn about this right angle triangle. We find other side with the Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem, from triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. From this, AC is equal to root of AB square plus BC square. What is the value of AB here? 7K whole square. Next, what is the value of BC? 8K whole square. It is under root. What is the value of 7K whole square? It is equal to 49K square. Next, 8K whole square is 64K square. The sum of 49K square and 64K square, we get 113K square. It is equal to K into root of 113. కిందికి పోనా మేడం ఇంకా here K into root of 113. Here we are finding the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. From evaluating this equation, we are firstly finding the sin value and cos value. Sin theta is equal to, what is the definition of sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is 8K, hypotenuse is K root of 113. K both are cancelled, we get 8 by root of 113. Next, from this equation we are also finding another trigonometric ratio. What is that? Cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is AB by AC. What is the value of AB? 7K. AC value K into root of 113. Here K both are cancelled. 7 by 7k by k root of 113. Here k both are cancelled. We get what is the value? 7 by root of 113. What we are finding here? We are finding the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now here a plus b into a minus b. These are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. Here a is 1, b is sin theta, sin square theta here. It is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here a is 1, b value is cos theta, cos square theta. Here already we know the value of sin theta and cos theta. 1 minus sin square theta, that means 8 by root of 113 whole square by 1 minus 7 by root of 113 whole square. Is equal to 1 minus 8 square means 64. Root of 113 whole square is only 113 by 1 minus 49 by 113. Here we are taking the LCM. 113 by minus 64. Here 113 minus 49 by 113. Here 113 both are cancelled. 113 minus 64 is equal to 49. 113 minus 49 is equal to 64. It is the required answer. Therefore, the required answer 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus